Hello all, this is an introduction video to our 150 liter UVC disinfection box by Jensen Lights. So Jensen Lights is one of the most trusted name in the lighting industry since 1975. So here is the box. It is a huge in size. It is 29 inches width by 21 inches height and 18 inches depth. So it has ample amount of capacity. It is made of a heavy metal body weighing 20 kg. That is very durable. It has a handle on the door for easy opening and close, and it has a reflective sheet that you can see all around the body, and two lamps on the top, two lamps on the bottom with two racks. Therefore, the UVC light in this gets multiplied and is applied from all the direction. Makes sure that there is 360-degree disinfection and a better efficiency of disinfection. It has a safety feature of a cabinet switch over here. So this is a safety feature where if somebody accidentally opens the door in the middle of the cycle, the lamps will be cut off immediately. These magnetic latch ensure that the door is locked securely when the disinfection is going on. We have wheels on the bottom, which makes it easy to maneuver around the house or any space wherever you use it. It has a beautiful control panel on the right side of the box. This is a digital timer. These are two indicator switches that will tell you the light is on or off, and this is a manual switch, so you don't have to go back to the source again to switch it on. So if I switch it on, I can set the time in minutes or in seconds, and it will show me digitally how much time I have disinfected for. You can reset from here also. So this is a complete disinfection system with all the features. The box is made in India, and we use a Philips UVC germicidal lamp, 4 of them of 11 watt, total of 44 watts, and a branded LED Advance Osram ballast. Thus, we offer 1-year warranty on the box, except the tubes that comes under consumables, and all the other parts like timers, indicator switch and switches, everything are branded and high quality. Even after warranty, you can these parts are available with us at a nominal cost, and you can maintain them easily and use the box even after guarantee for the long time. UVC is the most eco-friendly, cost-effective, and an easy way to disinfect any item. It does not have any harmful effect on the environment or a human body or any object, because it does not use any harmful chemicals or disinfectants to kill the virus. It is the most cost-effective way to disinfect, because apart from the initial capital expense, there is no recurring expense of any chemicals. The box only runs on a minuscule expense of electricity that it uses to run the lights. It is the most easiest and the quickest way to disinfect, because you just need to put the items in the box and the light will disinfect the items within minutes. Don't need to put any physical labor of cleaning or putting the chemicals and then wiping the products in this kind of disinfection system. So UVC is a very old technology, more than 100 years of old, and it has been used in a lot of hospitals in a lot of areas. It has been certified by top of the organization like CDC, like Center of Disease Control in America, or FDA, and it is certified by Indian Medical Association also for disinfection, and it is proven that it kills all kind of microorganisms, and it gives a 99.9% efficiency against disinfection of all kind of microorganisms. It can even kill a lot of other small living pests in your house, like flies, mosquitoes, spiders, termites, bed bugs, And obviously, it goes without saying that it is highly effective against current COVID-19 virus, and it will disinfect the virus in 4 to 5 minutes very easily. And it has been proven earlier on other coronavirus like SARS and MERS. So generally, the customers have a valid question that is the box certified or tested by a lab? So I would like to say state that the box is using the branded Philips UVC germicidal lamps and that have been developed by years of R&D and in the market since 35 years and have been used in all the prestigious organizations and have been tested by many third party labs. So and we are just providing an enclosure for the tube, so we do not require any special kind of certification for the box because the tube is already certified, but still we are in the process of getting it tested from a certified lab for the satisfaction of the customer. Another common FAQ with the UVC box is what kind of object can be sanitized and what cannot be sanitized. We can sanitize all kind of item in this box. All your food items, fresh fruits, vegetables, cooked food, uncooked food, raw food, कोई भी टाइप ऑफ सर्विसेज सरफेस लाइक आपका ज्वेलरी सेंसिटिव इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आपका पर्सेज वॉलेट्स एनी टाइप ऑफ जो भी आपका सॉफ्ट फर्निशिंग है कोई आपका लग्जरी क्लोथिंग है आप हर चीज़ को इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं डिसइंफेक्ट करने के लिए किसी भी चीज़ को ये स्पॉइल नहीं करता. But be careful, you cannot disinfect any living organism, any living being, for example, like your pets. You cannot disinfect because UVC light is harmful for any living being. So be careful of that. And it also goes without saying, don't also try to disinfect any of your body parts. So another valid question is, what is the time period required for any item to disinfect? So actually, different viruses and different bacteria and different microorganism has a different reaction time. That is a different time and dosage that it needs of the UVC light to for it to be killed. But it is safe to say for this product, within 15 minutes you can kill the toughest of the microorganism. So 5 to 15 minutes can be your ideal time that you require to disinfect any kind of item. UV rays are harmful for human skin and eyes or any living organism. So please be careful that you don't accidentally expose yourself to UV lights. That's why we have put a safety feature in the box also, that if you accidentally open the box with the switch on, the lights will turn off. So still be careful to avoid UV exposure. You can shop the UV box online on various platforms, or you can visit our website for more information. Thank you.